Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot A-5 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this is a pre-owned home, and I think it looks really beautiful inside. The owners did a really great job with this. Take a look on the outside first. They've got these nice little plants set up in front. You've got a set of steps for the back and the front door. This house also comes with a shed. Not every house in our community has a shed. This one does. And here's the back of the house. Taking a look inside, here you have the living room. This house is super large. So you've got this really high ceiling, and wall to wall is super wide as well. This kitchen has a ton of cabinets. Here they've got appliances on the counter. Here's the dishwasher. Got a window right above the sink. So if you're hand washing anything, you can look out and see the sunlight. Got this paper towel roll right above. This is your stove oven combination. Got 4 burners on top. Your oven below, and below that is your heating tray. Here they have these windows right at the front. Got a little table here. On the other side, you have more cabinets and counter space. They put a few appliances here. So just looking around this kitchen, you can see that you have tons and tons of space to put out whatever you need. Here is the refrigerator. This is a freezer on top and refrigerator on bottom. And they've got this nice little table set up in the middle. We also have deeper cabinets on the right side of the fridge here. And right next to that is the coat rack they have. So very easily you could put something there or leave it open. And that's the front door right there. Their living room has these really pretty paintings all throughout. You've got a television there and a couch right there. Behind the couch right here, they've got a little bookshelf. Got 2 windows on the side here. And here I'll just give you a view of the living room. So now moving on to the other side of the house. We have the thermostat right here. This house has central air conditioning and forced hot air. And this is the first bedroom. So they've got it set up with a bed here and a little desk. So it's like a mini office. And you've got a closet which runs the length of the wall there. Here's the little office space they have set up. Now we'll take a look at the rest. Right here is your furnace. This is responsible for the forced hot air and central air conditioning. Next to that, you have a little laundry area. So they've got a washer and dryer right here, and these curtains which hide it away. I'll show you that real quick. Moving on to the back door right here. And right across from that is the bathroom. So this is a super big bathroom. You've got the shower right there. Let's just turn the lights on for a second. You've got these frosted glass sliding doors. So your toilet there. Got the window right there. Mirror with an overhead light. And you've got more space back here to put towels as they have. And underneath that is your water heater. Moving on to the master bedroom. You can see this is a super large room. Got a bed in the corner and a desk. So very easily can operate as a bedroom and a office. Got some shelving on the side here. You've got 2 windows in here as well. And I think the most stunning part of this house is this really nice walk-in closet. So they've got some shelving at the back, but you could walk all the way to the back there. You can see this is a wire rack that's pre-installed. Now, if you're interested in this house or any of the other houses that we have to offer, please go to www.myhome in Carteret. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.